Hi everybody, welcome to Mariel Beads and Beyond. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this fun ring. I had a lot of fun making it and I love it. It's really tiny and the shape looks like a flower. I am in love with these rings. The first one I made was this one. I used the same color of seed beads. It's made with 11 O's, 15 O's, and with a 3mm Bicone. The second one I made, it was this one. And as you can see, it looks different. And it is because since this one is the same color of beads, you can see how the flower forming completely. And this one, I didn't realize about the missing part until I start adding my 15 O's. In these two, you can see the difference. It looks different, it still looks pretty, but it doesn't form the flower as the other two. I mean, you can do it this way if you want to. I really like both, but if you want to have the flower, you have to use the first two 11 O's when you start your ring band on the same color of the 15 O's you're gonna use, and then the last two seed beads. This is what I'm talking about. These two seed beads and these two, the two edges, they had to be the same color of the beads that you're using to form your flower. I hope you guys like this tutorial and let's get started. Like I said, the list of materials is just gonna be 11 O's, 15 O's, and a 3mm Bicone. For thread, I use Fireline and needle size 12. So let's get started. You are going to pick up 3 11 O's, bring them down, and it's up to you how many inches you want to leave. I'm just gonna leave one just to make knots at the end. We are going to sew back through the second one going up. And we are going to come down through the one that we just added. And we are going to work a square stitch for a ring band. Pick up 111. Sew through the first 11 that we added. And we are going to sew back down through the seed bead that we just added. We are going to sew back through the first two that we added, and we are going to come down through the two that we just added. We are going to continue working on square stitch until we get the length that we need for a ring. I'll show you the next step. I have the length that I need for my ring, and this is the way you gotta find out. You're gonna put your ring band, and you had to have about that much space, which should be like 2 millimeters. What you need to do, your thread is coming out of U11. You're gonna sew going up through the seed beads across. Okay. Right now you are going to sew back through the 8. and we are going to pull, and we are going to sew through the other 2 seed beads across. We want the 8 to be centered. So you gotta be really careful with this. You want it to be centered. So you're gonna center it and then you're gonna pull tight. We can sew through the 8 again, and we can sew back just to reinforce. And while you're doing this, you want to be centering your 8-0. As you can see now, my seed bead is centered. So what we are going to do right here, we are going to pick up 3 15-0s. My thread is coming out of the 8. We are going to sew back through that one. We want them to go to the side. We are going to pick up 3 15s. And we are going to sew back through the 8-0. And you can reinforce this if you want. Like right now, I can sew back through this just to reinforce them. That's up to you. Pick up 3 15s and sew back through the 8. Pick up 3 15s, sew back through the 8. Sew back through the 8. Pick up 1 15, pick up your 3mm Swarovski and 1 15 and sew back through the 8 and reinforce. Push this in. And there you have your ring. You should be done. Right here, we're gonna end our threads by making a knot right here. Make another one. Whip your thread, make knots around, and we should be done. I don't know what you think about this ring, but it's really tiny and it's really cute. I really like it, so I hope you guys like this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like my videos, make some comments. Let me know if you like what I made. Thank you. Until next time.